Again, I have to hold the phone because I have nothing really to set this on that would be appropriate. Uh, I'm doing something a little different. Favorite calm kit item. And this is kind of something see, now everything's messing it up. But it's supposed to be word of the day. Fidget is word of the day, and this stupid light once again. I can't control this fan in this apartment, which sucks. But anyway, one fidget that I like is this. It's called a fidget strip. It says it's okay, use it in the right tone, otherwise there goes my anger issues. And then here is another fidget. It's a cloud with a rainbow. That's what it's supposed to be. And then they use stickers as fidgets as well sometimes. This one says love yourself, which is really hard for me to do, especially with other people's opinions. This is also hard to do. And this is touch, so yes, touch and calm. A little bit of calming, not exactly how much I want it to be, but. And then there's the rainbow. These are stickers, so there's 1, 2, 3 stickers at the moment. This is actually